Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that makes sure you don't blow your hard-earned cash on gadgets that belong in the Stone Age. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in a battle for aerial supremacy. In the left corner, we have the Holy Stone HS720E, and in the right corner, we've got the Gleesfun G11MINI. Let's see which one will make you a sky-high hero and which one will crash and burn. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. Holy Stone HS720E comes in at a whopping $399. Yup, that's right. It costs more than your last 3 impulse buys combined. But hey, quality comes at a price, right? Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, is a bit more wallet-friendly at $299. So, if you're looking to splurge on something that won't make you eat instant noodles for the next month, the Gleesfun might already be winning your heart. Now, let's get into some legal mumbo-jumbo. The Holy Stone HS720E is FAA compliant, which means it's got all its paperwork in order like a law-abiding citizen. But you'll need to get a remote ID module. So basically, it's like adopting a pet that requires a whole bunch of paperwork. On the flip side, the Gleesfun G11MINI is under 250 grams, meaning no FAA registration is needed. It's the rebellious teenager of drones. No paperwork, no problem. All right, camera nerds, this one's for you. Holy Stone HS720E boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera with a Sony sensor. This thing is like the James Bond of cameras. Smooth, sophisticated, and always gets the shot. Gleesfun G11MINI also has a 4K camera, but it shoots at 2.7K 50 FPS or 4K 25 FPS. So it's like a college student trying to make it big on Instagram. Good, but not quite Bond level. Flight time. Holy Stone HS720E offers a total of 46 minutes with 2 batteries. That's almost an entire Netflix episode. Gleesfun G11MINI, however, gives you a whopping 60 minutes. That's 2 Friends episodes back to back. So if you're looking to spend more time in the air and less time charging, Gleesfun's got your back. Next, user experience. Holy Stone HS720E has all the bells and whistles. Follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. It's like having a personal assistant in the sky. Gleesfun G11MINI is also packed with smart features like follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. Plus, it's got a beginner mode for those of you who are still learning which way is up. So both are pretty user-friendly, but Gleesfun's beginner mode might just save you from a few embarrassing crashes. Design and durability. Holy Stone HS720E is sleek and whisper quiet thanks to its brushless motors. It's like the Tesla of drones. Silent but powerful. Gleesfun G11MINI, on the other hand, has a cool dark green shell and a camera shield for extra durability. It's like the rugged Jeep of drones, tough and ready for action. Plus, the Type-C interface makes it more eco-friendly. So if you're clumsy like me, Gleesfun might be the way to go. Safety first, folks. Both drones have auto-return features. Holy Stone HS720E will come back to you like a loyal dog if it loses connection. Gleesfun G11MINI also has this feature, plus automatic takeoff and landing. It's like having a drone with a built-in safety net. So both are pretty reliable, but Gleesfun's got a few extra tricks up its sleeve. Summarizing the reviews, Holy Stone HS720E is praised for its high quality, durability, and excellent customer service. Reviewers love its stable flight, long battery life, and reliable features. On the other hand, Gleesfun G11MINI is appreciated for being lightweight, easy to control, and packed with features like GPS follow and return home. While it may struggle in strong winds, its affordability and ease of use make it a favorite among hobbyist flyers. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Holy Stone HS720E and the Gleesfun G11MINI both have their strengths. If you're looking for high-end camera quality and whisper-quiet flights, Holy Stone's your go-to. But if you want longer flight time, beginner-friendly features, and a rugged design, Gleesfun is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.